श्रीमान् वेङ्कटनाथार्य कवितार्किककेसरी वेदान्ताचार्यवर्यो मे सन्निधत्तां सदा हृदि. Swami Desikan's wonderful stotram, Shodasayuda stotram on Lord Sri Sudarshana. Today's verse is number 9. Kriya Shakti Guno Vishnoho Yo Bhavatyadi Shaktiman Akunta Shakti Sa Shaktihi Ashaktim Varayetavaha. Ati Shaktiman, the most strongest, Vishnoho, Vishnu's, Yaha, the spear, veil. So, Vishnoho, he is the one who manifests everywhere, that Embaraman. So, Kriya Shakti Gunaha, the power to create the world by Embaraman. That Gunam, Bhavati, the Akunta Shakti is never, there is no challenge, there is no hurdle, there is no interruption, nothing. The power of this weapon will never ever get diminished or blunted. Akunta Shakti. May this Shakti Va Ashaktim Varayeta. May this Shakti, the weapon, the spear, the veil, destroy your Ashakti, your inability, your weakness, your lack of strength. May it remove this Shakti. Shakti means veil, the spear. So, Shakti Chakra Rupasya Chakrinaha. Trivayalvan has got, right from the beginning, Swami mentioned that he has 16 weapons, 16 ayudam, 8 in both hands. And the Sankalpam of the Lord to create, to protect, to destroy is beyond the control of anyone, since there is no equal to or superior to Perumal. Tan Vopparilappan, Vattar Mikkar Ilayaya Mamayan. Nobody equal to him. Why to talk about superior? His Swasankalpam is known as Darshanam, and it comes without any obstruction. There is no Ashakti for him. It is beyond the limitations of Kalam, Desham, Vastu. It is so uniquely magnificent and auspicious. So, Sudarshanam means Su Darshanam, the one which is auspicious, Darshanam, to yield the Trinamam of Sudarshanam, which is the embodiment of Sudarshanar. So, this is the this is a Sabdhartham of the sacred name of Sudarshanam. And that Sabdhartham itself is Shu Sabdhartham, very auspicious Sabdhartham. So the Sudarshanar is the most sacred one who confers all Mangalam, all auspiciousness, all goodness to one and all. Suhridam Sarvabhutanam. He is Lord Sriman Narayanan's cool and rejuvenating Kataksham. He is the nectarine glances, merciful glances, Daya filled Kataksham of Perumal. When they fall on us, when they fall on the human being at birth, then that person is blessed with Sattvika Gunam, leading to the ultimate boon of Moksham. Jayamana Kataksham, they say. Jayamanam hi Purusham yam pashyet Madhusudanaha Satvikasatu Vigneyaha Savai Mokshartha Chintakaha. So, the Lord has Saushilyam and Saulabhyam as declared by Krishna. Samoham sarvabhudeshu name dvoshyostitana priyaha. There is nobody who is enemy to me, nor anybody most favorite to me. He has no partiality and he gives fruits based on one's karma. He has equanimity in the rulership. His Dandadaratvam, he is punishing the wrongdoers, arises from his wish to free the Jivan from the karmic diseases. And he says, Shruti Smriti Mamaivrajna. So Shruti and Smriti, the Shastram, the Vedam and the Vedangam are all his instruction, his command. Anybody who trespasses against his command will be rewarded or punished. Even the punishment he gives is kripa, is daya, because he wants us to get rid of our offenses. He wants us to get rid of our papam. So he is using this Chakra Talvan as a sankalpam to bless us with the right jnanam, to get us removed of all ignorance. And this veil is one of the ayudams, the Shakti. Shakti is called Icha. And in the Shakti, there are three Shakti: Icha Shakti, Kriya Shakti, Niguda Shakti. And says Yoga Sastras. So, Perumal with his sankalpam, because he is Satyakamaha, Satya Sankalpaha. Whatever we think, whatever we want to do, we are not able to do. Most of the time, we don't want to even think of doing good things. Even when we think of doing good things, we only do half and we stop. We come back, we withdraw, we cancel, we step down, we somehow it stops. First of all, we don't even start. If we start, it stops midway. So, but for Perumal, it's not like that. Whatever he wills, he would do. So, Satyakama, Satya Sankalpa. Here, the Icha Shakti is called Satyakama. And Satya Sankalpaha, Avapta Samasta Kamaha. He has got everything that he desires. And that is Kriya Shakti. So, he can do anything with his Sankalpam. And in his avataram, he hides some of his powers, and that is Niguda Shakti. So, Icha Shakti, Kriya Shakti, Niguda Shakti. Whatever that he desires, he can get it done. Whatever that he needs to do, he can get it done. Whatever that he wants to hide, he can hide his powers. And that is what is Sukshmam in the name Shakti. And this Shakti, is it a gunam, or is it just a word? Patartham. So for our sampradayam, we say Shakti is one of the Kalyana Gunams of Perumal. Asankhyeya Kalyana Gunam. स्वाभाविकानवधिकातिशय ज्ञान बल ऐश्वर्य वीर्य शक्ति तेजस शौशील्य वात्सल्य मार्दव आर्जव सौहार्द साम्य कारुण्य माधुर्य गांभीर्य औदार्य चातुर्य स्थैर्य धैर्य शौर्य पराक्रम सत्यकाम सत्यसंकल्प कृतित्व कृतज्ञता असंख्येय कल्याण गुणगणौग महार्णव. He is the ocean of infinite auspicious attributes, Kalyana Gunams. And Perumal has this Jnanam, Balam, Aishwaryam, Viryam, Shakti, Tejas. Like that, Sausilyam, Vatsalyam, Mardavam, Arjavam, Sauhardam, Samya, Karunya, Madhurya, Gambhirya, Ramanuja enlist all of them in Sharanagati Gadyam. And he says, like this, there are infinite auspicious attributes. And Perumal can say this Shakti is Adravyam. Swami Desikan mentions in Nyaya Siddhanjanam that Parasya Shakti Vividhaiva Shruyate Swabhaviki Jnana Balakriyacha. The Upanishad also mentions the same, that the Shakti is a Kalyana Gunam, and this Chetana, Achetana, Chetanas, the Jivatmas are bound by the Punya Papa Karma, and their punya papam can be gotten rid of by surrendering to Perumal, by surrendering to Sudarshana. And using the spear, one can get this Shakti to get rid of our papams. So, in Vishnu Puranam, it says the Jiva Shakti, Karma Shakti, above the Jiva Shakti, above the Karma Shakti, Emperuman Shakti is the grandest and the greatest. Vishnu Puranam mentions Vishnu Shakti para prokta kshetrajnakya tatha para avidya karma sanjanya sajnanya tritiya shakti rishyate. So here it is and it is He is Ati Shaktiman. And that is why Acharya mentions in this Sudarshana Shodasayuda Stotram, he is Ati Shaktiman. There is uninterrupted Shakti. He is the greatest, and it is a Kalyana Gunam. Shakti Shalina Shakti. In Sudarshana Shatakam, Swami mentions in the 84th verse, Sri Kuranarayana Jiyar, Shalina Shakti Shalina Shakti, Shulam Shulam Tyaktyaatma Sheelam Sruni Ranu Gagrini Pattisha Spushta Sadaha, Shakti Shalina Shakti Kulisha Makashulam Kundadara Gutaraha. Then Dantaschandatva Shunyo Bhavati Tanu Dhanur Yatpurastat Grasta Sheshastra Garvo Rata Charana Shati Karmane Sharmanaya. In the 84th verse, Kuranarayana Jiyar mentions the status of Sri Sudarshana's celebrated weapons in front of him. May that Sudarshana initiate you to enter into the activities that lead to Mokshanubhavam and the Brahmanandam. The famous Ayudams of Sudarshana, the Trishulam, the Sulam of the Devatas, the demigod, lost its skills to destroy the enemies. Sulam Tyaktatmashilam. Ankusham, Srinihi, lost its luster and became dull. Srinirang Gandrinihi. The long sword, the Pattisham, became fatigued. The Shakti Ayudam became feeble, bent its head out of shame. The Vajrayudam became devoid of its skills to destroy the enemies. The axe of Rudra lost its sharpness and became blunt. The club Dandaha became soft. The bow Sharngam became weak. Sudarshana removed all their weaknesses of all these astrams and made them strong. May Sudarshana of such Vaibhavam initiate you in Satkarmas that will yield Mokshanubhavam and Brahmanandam, says Kuranarayana Jiyar in the 84th shloka. Mentions about Shakti, Akunta Shakti. He says, in the Banasura Vadam, the Shivan wanted to save and protect his devotee Banasuran when Banasura was fighting against Krishna. It comes in Srimad Bhagavatam. And Swami Kuranarayana Jiyar also mentions this in the 87th verse. And he says the destruction of Bhagavad Dveshi, Banasuran, the descendant of Mahabali, by Sudarshana during the Lord's avataram as Krishna is saluted in the 87th shloka. Banasuran had received many boons from Paramashivan to make him invincible in the battlefield. Paramashivan assured that he will join the Asuran in the battlefield with his family and Shiva Ganams whenever he is attacked by his enemies and fight along by his side. The Paramashivan had given the boon of 1,000 hands for use in the battlefield for Banasuran. And he also a rampart of fire for his palace and immense wealth. At one time, the beautiful daughter of Banan, Usha, fell in love with the grandson of Lord Krishna, Aniruddhan, and had him kidnapped from Dwaraka, held him in her private chambers as a prisoner, and enjoyed his company. When Lord Krishna knew about this, he came to war with Banan, who was assisted by Paramashivan, Nandi, Vinayakar, Subramanian, and even Modi. Modi means the Parvati, Shakti, and other Shivaganams. Lord Krishna used his chakram to cut all the 1,000 arms of Banasuran except the 4, and humiliated the Shiva and his gang by chasing them away from the battlefield. And then finally Shiva surrendered to Lord Krishna. So this Banasura Yuddham is talked about in Srimad Bhagavatam as well as by Trimaishi Piran in Trichanda Vrittam. மோடி ஓடி லட்சயாய சாபமெய்தி முக்கணான் கூடு சேனை மக்களோடு கொண்டு மண்டி வெஞ்சமத்து ஓட வாணன் ஆயிரம் கரம் கழித்த ஆதிமால் பீடு கோயில் கூடு நீர் அரங்கம் என்ற பேரதே. And that is why it is Akunta Shakti. It is uninterrupted Shakti. It is the strongest Shakti of Lord Sriman Narayana and thereby the Chakrayudam Sudarshan Alvan. Adiyen Kavitarkika Simhaya Kalyana Gunashaline Srimate Venkateshaya Vedanta Gurave Namaha. Dhanyosmi.